This e-learning module explains how you and your national standards body can maintain participating membership status in ISO and allow you uninterrupted access to ISO technical committees, subcommittees, and working groups. Member participation in the standards development process is critical to producing globally relevant standards. To ensure active engagement among stakeholders, it is important to have a wide range of participation within your country, including experts who can attend meetings, work toward consensus positions, and to make recommendations to cast votes. The role of the mirror committees is very important. They are the voice of the industry in your country. To ensure active participation from its member countries, the ISO Technical Management Board recently took steps to measure committee performance, which includes keeping track of member votes and the participation of P members in ISO committees. Once logged into the ISO Applications portal, members can see a section called Metrics and Data with a link named Performance Indicators and Extractions. Access to the data is linked to roles assigned in the global directory. Votes are a critical element of participation in the work of a technical committee. Participating members that fail to cast a vote on more than 20% of committee internal ballots, and at least 2 over the course of a calendar year, will be downgraded to observing O member status for a period of 1 year. For DIS and FDIS ballots, a single missed vote without justification will also result in a membership downgrade. The same applies for systematic reviews. If your member body misses a vote, they will receive an automatic notification from ISO seeking justification and assurance that your country remains committed to actively participating in a given committee. Failure to contact ISO CS following this notification will result in a downgrade. This is a good opportunity to ensure your member is finding the right stakeholders to participate and to develop national positions, as well as having the appropriate structure in place to avoid future missed ballots. Besides the obligation to cast votes, active participation at meetings is also essential to a successful and productive committee. That said, if a representative has not attended any of the last 2 scheduled meetings, either remotely or in person, this can also affect your P member status. Any member failing to meet the criteria will be downgraded for 12 months. Once a decision has been made to downgrade a member from P to O status, you cannot appeal. This also means all committee members from that country will be removed from working group rosters, as O members are not allowed to participate in working groups. If this happens to you and your member body is downgraded, please contact your ISO Technical Program Manager to be reinstated after the 12-month period is complete. Reinstatement does not happen automatically. For more information, please refer to Subclause 1.7 in the ISO IEC Directives Part 1. This is the section on obligations to vote and participate. Because ISO encourages members to participate fully in the committee work, there are some specific steps you can take to avoid losing your P member status in a committee. For a typical committee, ISO expects P members to register active experts in working groups, send delegations to technical committee and subcommittee meetings, and cast ballots. If a P member is not always able to attend meetings in person, P members can still comment on working drafts, submit written positions for decisions to be taken at meetings, and request web conferencing as an option for remote participation. You can view the ballots where you are a P member and have not yet cast a vote in the Vote Required tab of the e-balloting application. Member bodies can register more than one balloter to ensure a voter is always available in case of absence. This is strongly recommended. It is really important that the member body have the right people registered in the ISO Global Directory for balloting roles, as well as possible backups in case of absence. And did you know that abstentions are a valid vote to prevent a downgrade? Also, consider your internal processes and structure to ensure mirror committees are sending their recommendations in time, votes are cast in a timely manner, and are checked before closing. You can use Outlook Calendar as a reminder for closing ballots, Or if you use iSolutions, ensure that the dates in place allow enough time to secure national positions. International standards are not possible without your active involvement. So please join us to ensure your voice is being heard. We value your participation. Please visit ISO.org to get more information to engage your stakeholders and stay involved. Thank you.